Hi, I wanted to clue you in on a phishing email I just received. It's not incredibly complex, but you really should look at the details to determine if something's legitimate or illegitimate. And what are those details? What are the areas I should really be looking at? Let's take a look together. So here's the email I received. We've been unable to reach you. Action required. That sounds important. Your account payment details are due to expire. To continue using your Amazon account, okay, yes, please. Update your account details using the link below. Well, that's very convenient. So I hover over the icon and I get grouponedeals.com. Well, that doesn't sound right. Let's take a look at the sender, AMZ rebate Groupon eDeals. Oh, well, it kind of matches the link, right? So maybe that's legitimate. I'm not sure if Groupon and Amazon are the same, but maybe, Amazon buys up everybody these days. Who knows? So the next thing you do is don't click the link. In this case, I've reviewed it and it's not incredibly malicious at face value, but let's see what happens if you did click the link. So we'll click the link and we get the Amazon sign-in sheet. Okay. GrouponEdeals.com. Again, I don't think that's Amazon. And I don't see any logo here. And what if we hover over these other links? Well, they all go to Groupon eDeals. These are actually not even links. At this point, just super illegitimate. What would happen if you did enter your email and password? Well, you'd be feeding that right to the hackers. Your email would go into a database, it'd be attached with the password, and likely that information would be sold on the dark web. The dark web is a seedy underbelly and contains a lot of marketplaces for contraband and, hacked and stolen data. So I hope this showed you just a quick overview of some items you should be looking at. Again, if we go to the sender, look at the domain it's coming from, hover over the link, and just try to ascertain how much of this are you expecting and how much of this is truly legitimate. Consider reporting this to your IT department. Consider sending this to your IT services provider, and maybe they can whitelist or blacklist the message so that you no longer receive it and others in your organization don't receive it as well. I hope this helped. Thanks.